Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Kawasaki Teryx4 800. Now these kits, they come in 3 different stages, and each kit comes with some of the most popular items to not only make your machine stand out, but to increase rider comfort. Now another benefit of buying these accessories all in one kit is you're going to be saving some money over buying each piece individually. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the kits and what comes inside them. To start out, we'll be looking at the Stage 1 upgrade kit. Now, the Stage 1 kit is the most basic and affordable option, but it comes with the essentials to give you a more comfortable ride. So what this kit includes is your hinged windshield. This thing is scratch resistant. It's also 2 inches taller than your standard half windshield, so it's going to keep most of the wind and elements out of the cab. And then if you ever want maximum airflow in there, you can always fold this down and out of the way. The second item is the alloy UTV mirror kit with the A-pillar mounts. Now you've got to be able to see what's going on behind you and around you, so it's very important to have these on your machine. Now what's nice about them, they're 5 inches in diameter and shatter resistant, and you don't have a big bulky clamp like other mirrors. These just mount up to the A-pillars and they're out of the way of your windshield. The third item in the kit is the polycarb rear window. Now, just like the windshield, it's scratch resistant. It's going to help enclose the cab and keep the weather and elements off of you and your passengers. Moving on, we have the Tusk Stage 2 upgrade kit. Now, this is perfect for the person that wants some premium features at a great price. So with this kit, it's going to keep the polycarb rear window from Stage 1, but the things that are going to be upgraded are, number 1, your windshield. So this is the removable full windshield. It's going to give you some added protection in the front and help keep out the wind, water, and other elements. And then it's easily removable so you can get maximum airflow on those hot days. The other upgrade over the Stage 1 kit is the mirrors. Now the alloy mirrors are great, but there's nothing like the pivot folding mirrors. And what's good about these is if you accidentally hit something with them, they pop out of the way and you can fold them right back out. They're super durable, and if you want to pull your machine into a trailer, you can fold those mirrors out of the way. Now they also mount up to the A-pillars, so you don't have that big bulky clamp getting in the way of your windshield. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk out of the 3 kits, and you're going to be keeping the pivot folding mirrors and the polycarb rear window from the Stage 2 kit. But the upgrades are going to be the folding glass windshield. Now this is made out of laminated safety auto glass. It's super durable and going to stay looking good for longer. Now if it gets dirty, you're going to be able to use your windshield wiper, and if you want some airflow into the cab, you can always open up that vent. Now if you have a super hot day and you want maximum airflow into the cab, you can always fold the windshield down and out of the way. The other upgrade over the Stage 2 kit is the spare tire carrier. Now this fits up to a 28-inch tire, and if you ever get a flat out on the trail or damage your sidewall, you'll be glad you have this. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Kawasaki Teryx4 800. Now these are a great option to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your new machine. And if you need help getting these installed, we have some how-to videos to guide you through that process. You can also leave any questions you have about these kits in the comments below. Now these kits, they're available on our website, so be sure to check that out and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching.